guys, welcome to Foodie's Crazy Code. Before getting into the preparation, let me remind you to subscribe my channel. If you're not subscribed, and click on the bell button. Today we are going to see Maggi, a different type of Maggi. So let me add just 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to add little mustard seeds. And to just give a crunch here and there, I'm adding some Uard Dal. The Uard Dal is fried. It's changed its color. So now I'm adding just some curry leaves. I have blended some carrot and beans. There's some half carrot and some 2 to 3 beans of this. Now I'm going to add some half onion. Okay, with this I have some chopped capsicum. Little chili powder, turmeric. As per your taste, you can add. I'm adding some 1 teaspoon. I've added salt this, and we'll add water to this now. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Okay. Let it boil, and I'm adding just a pinch of salt. Okay. We'll add the Maggi. See, I've already broken and kept it ready. Okay, now keep it in medium flame and just close it for some 2 minutes and see. It has to get cooked little more. Friends, it's cooked well now. Okay, now you can serve it.